Hi, and you're welcome to today's class. And I'm actually going to be showing us or teaching us how to actually draft the design we have right on the screen. And we're just going to majorly be making use of our straps. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you how you can simply use strap to do this. So let's go right into that. Don't forget, I'm still your shoemaking made easy tutor. Odurole Mujibola. So the first thing we are going to actually do is we are going to actually creating straps. I'm going to be cutting out straps because I'm going to be needing them to actually do what I want to do. I know somebody's already wondering, so how do I go about my strap? Now, the first thing you need to understand is if you look at the design on the screen, you will find out that it has a strap that goes towards the feather of the shoe lace. You understand? So because we have that, I'm going to be making use of two different straps to actually achieve that. That is the first thing. So, and those are the two straps I'm going to be cutting first of all. So if you would like to take some measurements, you can go ahead. Ensure you have about 3 centimeter right under here, about 3 centimeter. Don't forget it's going this way. One of them is going this way. So I'm also going to be adding about 3 to this. So 1, 2, 3. So this is about 20.5 for that. So I'm going to go ahead. Don't forget that same point, you have another one coming this way. So from this we have 1, 2, 3. This is actually 21. So obviously we can actually use 21 for the two of them. You know, one came this way, the other went that way. So we are going to actually be cutting out those two straps, and I'm going to be making use of about 2 centimeter actually for the strap, or 1.8 centimeter. So you can actually decide to use whatever you think you're okay with as far as the width is concerned. But for this particular class, I want us to be able to use about 2 centimeters. So the first thing we need to know is the length. Now this is what I'm going to start from here literally. And if I'm starting from here, don't mind my double line. I think I need just a line. That will make it much more better. So from there, I'm going to measure my 21. So my 21 is right here. So what do I need? Just measure 2 centimeter. Of course, I need 4. I need 2. This is 2. This is another 2. I'm going to come to this side and do the same thing. Don't forget we need 2 different straps. So that's why I'm measuring it. I'm measuring it at a go. You understand? We need 2. So I need 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So you just connect them together and then trim it out. As you can see, I've connected. All I'm going to do now is just go ahead and trim each of them out. All right, you can see what I have right here. And I need you to know that when it comes to pattern cutting, it's not a one-way traffic. Please, it's not a one-way traffic. You can actually do this in so many other ways, but I'm just showing us what we can actually do with what we have right here. So from here, I'm going to be placing this here. Then it means one of them will go this way. That's what it means. One will go right up here. And then I have another one too. I have another one. One is here. I have another one that is coming right here. So let's see what it looks like. Now you can see what this looks like around here. I'm trying to place them on themselves. Then at the same time still open this place up. You can see I place it on themselves. So you can decide to actually use a paper tape to hold that side down that way. So if this is here, this can come down this way. So we have something like this right here. Can you see what we have right here? So this is what we have now. So let me use my paper tape to literally hold them down gently. You can use your gum to hold. You see it's the two of them that is laying on top of themselves. So let me try and use my paper tape. So with this, I've actually matched that together. So I'm coming this way and this is actually coming this way. So you can see what I have right here. You can see what I have right here. So I'm going to use my paper tape again to seal the inner part as well. So from this you can see what we already have. So I can use my paper tape to just hold this down right here. So I just want to hold that down. I'm going to also do the same thing for this. And this as well. So for the first part, this is what it looks like. So you can see what the first part look like. This one I just need to lay it properly. You can still adjust them.